How to edit video in CapCut Mobile. Alright guys, so your first step would be to open up CapCut. So make sure you have CapCut installed. Click on CapCut, and then where we have new project on your CapCut Mobile, go ahead and click on new project. And now once you've selected the new project you'd like to work on, now just simply go ahead and select the video you'd like to edit. So you could just simply click on a video here and then simply click on add. Now, once you've added the video to your timeline, all you need to do is make use of the tools that are available. By simply clicking on any video, you can either use the split tool to simply cut sections of the video. You could use the speed tool to increase sections of that video. That's the speed, the playback speed of the video. You can use animations to add different animations to the video itself. You could also make use of style, that is basically animations, and you could also delete the clip. You could use camera tracking to track various parts of your clip. You could also use the volume key here to simply increase the volume of the clip, or to set it at its normal speed. And then once you're done, just simply click on the export at the top right corner of your screen here, and you can begin exporting your clip.